Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of instant photography with a twist: the Kodak Printomatic digital instant print camera. If you're a beginner looking to capture memories in an instant, this could be the perfect camera for you. Stick around as we uncover what makes this camera stand out from the crowd. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to be your guide through today's review. Now, let's jump right into it. The Kodak Printomatic digital instant print camera is making waves in the world of photography, and for good reason. It combines the convenience of digital technology with the charm of instant prints, all in one sleek package. So, what sets the Kodak Printomatic apart from other instant cameras? Well, let's start with its all-in-one functionality. With a powerful 5-megapixel sensor and a wide-angle f2 lens, this camera captures vibrant photos with stunning detail. And the best part? It prints them out instantly on zinc 2x3 sticky-backed photo paper. No ink cartridges, toners, or film required. Just snap, print, and go. The Kodak Printomatic is designed with simplicity in mind. Its point-and-shoot operation allows you to capture moments on the fly, while its compact design makes it perfect for taking on the go. Plus, with features like automatic exposure control and a built-in flash, you'll always get the perfect shot, even in low-light conditions. But wait, there's more. The prints produced by the Kodak Printomatic aren't just vibrant, they're also durable. Printed on water-resistant, tear-resistant, and smudge-free paper, your memories will stand the test of time. And with the option to save photos to a micro SD card, you'll never have to worry about running out of storage space. Don't just take my word for it, though. Let's hear what others have to say about the Kodak Printomatic. Customers love its ease of use, compact design, and the fun it brings to capturing memories on the spot. However, some have noted that the picture quality could be improved, so keep that in mind if you're a stickler for sharp images. So, there you have it. The Kodak Printomatic digital instant print camera, the best digital video camera for beginners on the market. With its combination of convenience, quality, and fun, it's a must-have for anyone looking to capture life's moments in an instant. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Until next time, happy snapping!